Some big content creators are expressing their desire to quit or scale down. And I just thought their reasons for doing so would give us insight into what really matters, what to do, what not to do. I also think this would apply to any other business, not only content creators. Why? Why are they quitting? Why are they scaling down? Well, there are quite a number of reasons that they mention and explain, but I'm particularly interested in one, burnout. It's actually not one, if not all, mention burnout as one of the reasons. Some of the expressions: I'm tired, I want to have more time with my family and friends, I want me time. You know, burnout is very serious, so much that it strains you emotionally, mentally, physically. You don't find the drive, the satisfaction in doing whatever you're doing like you used to, and the body is basically done. You feel empty, you feel worked up, you feel, you know, it seems when you reach a certain age, you come to realize that it's not all about work, money, that there are more important things. You start to prioritize that family, friends, recreation, dogs mean a lot. So you see the need to balance, dedicating oneself to or more to work at the cost of your loved ones, your me time, saps up your joy. And you come to realize this at a point where you feel burnout. Content creation is real work. It's a process. There's a lot done in the background than just showing up. Just look at a school teacher who has a lot to do in the background to prepare for his lessons, administrative work, as opposed to teaching. And it even becomes tough when your community, your audience gets bigger. You start getting brand deals, probably feel you should get a team to help you here and there. You have to manage that team. These are not robots, these are humans. So there may be tension here and there. Then come the stress of the changing internet, competition, algorithm. Of course, in the beginning, it might be fun, more so if it's your passion. But as it gets bigger, the more it will demand. It even gets worse when the time, effort that you're putting is not equivalent to the income that you're getting. Keeping it simple helps set boundaries. Some of them talked about scaling down. Now, that's the point. That would mean, for example, working in the background, working less, keeping it simple, so you could have more time away from work. So the question is, do you want a trophy? You want to be famous? Everything comes at a cost. So how much sacrifice are you going to make? At what cost? I just thought most cases keeping it simple helps a business be more sustainable. Just an example, you have 3 brand deals at a go, and you know the time you have can only sustain 1. So it would be modest on your part to say no to the 2, so that your work is more efficient and also allows you time to breathe. Keeping it simple may also help you not to necessarily have a team or just a few people, about a size that you can comfortably manage. You know, someone said, do more and feel exhausted, do less and feel happier. You choose. Alright, so I'm through and this is what it looks like. Well, I've noticed some people combing their hair, especially those with short hair, before drying. I think it makes it easier before it's dry. So it just helps put everything together. I think it's easier because the style is still damp, wet, and precisely that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to just lift it within the roots like this. But I don't think if it's a good idea for those with long hair, because after all, after it's dry, you're still supposed to, you may want to stretch it using a hand dryer. Do those touch-ups where it looks more stretched or something. But if you're the type who is not interested in stretched hair generally and you want to maximize volume, then you may comb it before it's dry because it's easier that way. Just lifting within. You have to be extra careful so you don't destroy the coil. And when it comes to the sides and the back, you know, it's really short, so you may use a brush. So I also used the styling gum to do my baby hairs somehow. And now it's time to let it dry. There are 3 options. You could use a hooded dryer or a diffuser or let it naturally dry. So I'm going to sit under a hooded dryer and then be back. So this is basically how I maintain it. Every morning I mist it with some refreshing spray. It moisturizes, also gives shine, and just makes it look new again. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to share with you things that I regret doing as a content creator and what adjustments I'm making to change that. I also welcome your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.